Hi guys, I'm Kad.
And I'm Gran.
And together we are Kad Gran. Today my grandma will be showing me how to knit. We got a knitting box here.
Right.
This is a book. And
You have to show the pictures, isn't it?
yeah, just read. Yeah, here's some pictures of it.
Right.
Okay.
And these are the bits.
Bits and pieces. Let's find one.
You're
Here.
going to be making some animals.
Yeah, animals. Look at this. Animals. This one's cute. I'm gonna make the red one.
That's the knitting wool.
Yeah.
That's the knitting needle.
Okay.
And I'll be casting some. I already did some for you. Cast some wool onto the needle. Let me show you how. You hold the needle like that. Sorry. And you put it in there. And you take this one and you put it around that one. And you do like that. And you put that needle in there. You understand?
No.
There,
Yeah.
there,
Yeah.
through there,
Yeah.
and around there.
Okay.
That's called casting on.
Okay, my go.
See if you can do that now.
My go. So,
Put it in the first one.
like that.
Yeah. Then you put that in, oh yeah. And then you take that needle and take it through.
Ah, it's tricky. For the first one, like this. Then put it this way.
Yes. And then you're gonna put that.
No!
Let me show you again.
It's tricky.
Do it like that. You put it round there, and then you take this needle and you put it through.
Ooh, okay.
You understand that?
Yeah.
In there, through there, and then over there.
Okay, then my go. So, the top one. Put it around here.
You take that needle, come put it through. Put it.
Oh, still got it.
Take the needle and bend it in, and yeah, take it up, and put it on this one. The other way. You're doing it the wrong way.
This is really tricky, guys.
You're supposed to do it like this. This. And then you take that needle and put it, see? And then you do it like that.
Okay.
That.
That's
And that.
okay.
See if you can do that now.
That's
Mm-hmm.
that's pull it around. Ah. In. Pull around.
Hold it. Yeah, take that one down.
In there.
Yeah. And put not that side, put it round this side.
And in.
Yeah. You done it, did it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I did it. Now let's do it again. So, that is so tricky to get. In there. Pull. Which way? Ooh, yeah, that way.
In there.
Oh, yeah.
You put the thread round there. And then you put the needle through there. And then you put it at the back of that one. Yeah.
Put it in there. Pull it a little bit. Turn it around. Oh. How are you meant to do this?
You pull that one back off.
Oh no. I don't know what to do.
Yeah. That. You're gonna put it in.
What is it?
Yeah. And then you put it round that side. Try again, try again.
Put it this way. 1, 2. Then this. Then get it in. Pull it a little bit. Put it round the back. Hello, Uncle Dave.
Put it around that side.
Oh, I have no space at all.
Take it out that one and pull that. See? That, yeah. You getting it? That. Nah, the other way.
Oh yeah, this way.
Yeah. That. Yeah. And that.
I done my foot.
Right, that's casting on.
I'm
Right. You wanna do some knitting there?
gonna cut this and then do a different color.
No. You're doing this one first.
Okay.
Let me show you to do some knitting there.
Do it. What do you do?
Oops.
There we go.
That. 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 And then you take it off. That. 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 And you take that one off. That. 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 And you take that one off. You see? So you're going on to the other needle. That. You take that one off. That. 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 You take this one off. See, it's coming bigger down there. That. 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 Take that one off. In there, round there, through there, and that.
Okay. So.
In there, round there.
This one.
Put that through. You're taking it. You're doing it right. Then you take this one off.
There.
You come off in it.
That's tricky.
It's what?
Tricky.
Yeah, look what you're doing. You put that through there, and you take that through, and then you just take it as it was right.
Then pull it.
You never put this thing on.
Round. That.
And take that one off. That's it. Through there. Put that through. That's it.
Oh no. Done.
You're not putting the first, yeah, that one. This is what you have to do, Pat. Do that one,
Ooh.
and then you put the thread around that one, and then you put it through there, and then you take that one off. Come on, that. Put the thread over, put it through there, and you take that off. And put the thread over, through there, and that.
Okay.
In the thread, and that. In the
Wait, 3 more. It went oh.
Come on, mad woman. That's going on, yeah.
Okay. So put this here. Put the strap there.
That's alright, it's just the last one come off at it. Yeah. That's the last one on it. Do the same thing. Put that in and yeah, put the thread over and put it through.
There you go.
That one never going on. Wait! This one didn't go in it.
Okay, I'm not.
Come on! Sit up!
There we go.
Hmm.
Okay.
And you have to keep doing that now. In, out, in, out. You keep doing the same thing. Then you'll get a long thing like that. Do the first one for you. Look. Yeah. Oops.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Other way. You're going that way. And that way. And then you take that one off. You go that way. That way. And take that one off. That way. That. And take that one off. Yeah.
Guys, the video's ended. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna continue it next time my grandma comes. And I love sewing with my grandma. Don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell. Bye.
Bye.